Do you want to strengthen your arms, improve your balance, and burn some extra calories today? Join me on the Rebounder, and this is low impact. It's not high impact, okay? So let's go. We're going to warm up first. Put these down for a second. Turn some music on. Health bounce. Warm up our arms. And forward.
One step closer every day, a little stronger all the way.
Other side.
One more bounce, one more try, we're reaching.
Let's go backwards.
For the open sky.
And the other arm. Make sure you're engaging that core. Soften the knees.
Every day I'm showing up,
And breathe.
filling up my confidence, help.
Just the health bounce.
One good choice leads to one more. That's what this journey's for.
And stretch the arm.
One step closer every day, a little stronger
And the other side.
all the way. One more bounce, one more
Now up and down.
we're reaching for the open sky.
If you have to use the balance, it's okay. You can use the balance bar. You can use one arm, one weight today if you need to grab on.
Side to side,
I am not going to use the bar when I do the weights.
way behind.
Open up the chest
Finished, we're just begun. Look out, world.
and let's walk.
One step closer every day, a little stronger all the way. One more bounce, one more try, we're reaching.
I am on the BCAN B24 Soft Land Pro Rebounder, 40 inches. Has adjustable bungees. Comes in a 48-inch also. This has a 400-pound capacity. Very sturdy. It does come with socks. Grab your weights. All right, let's go. You know what? Let me turn this around. There we go. Health bounce. Gonna do biceps, triceps, shoulders, and back.
Woke up this morning, sunshine
Biceps.
on my face.
Loosen the grip. You don't want to tighten.
My little
You
dumbbells
concentrate on the bicep.
in each hand.
That's right, these are 2 pounds.
Taking one more step toward the woman that I planned.
Now, walk and
Just getting stronger.
alternate.
One step, one bounce a little longer. With these light weights in my hands today, I'm building strength in my own sweet way.
All right, rest.
The years may
Step touch.
but I'm still moving on, still finding reasons to keep holding on. One bounce at a time, watch me discover I'm not slowing down. I'm just getting
Now go back to the health bounce. Push down with the heels and biceps.
The mirror tells a story of laughter and grace. Every line reminds me of the miles I've embraced. I'm not chasing you.
You got this.
Something better now. A heart that's
Stronger each day.
in a spirit that
Now,
knows how.
1 and 1.
Slowing down, I'm just getting stronger.
Push down with the heels or step side to side and do it. If that feels better, do this. All right, rest. And let's do some heel digs. Now we're gonna add alternating biceps. Let's go. Low impact, beginner friendly. Yes. All right. Getting stronger. All right, rest. Now we're going to do triceps. I'm going to face this way. Put my hand on the bar. Arm close to your side. Let's go.
Some days are tough, but God's grace is always enough. When I stumble, when I fall, His loving hand.
All right, let's do the other arm. Okay, so it looks like this.
Faith and a little grit, that's how I choose not to quit. One bounce at a time.
Squeeze that tricep.
He's helping me become. God's not finished yet. He's still working on me. One step, one day, to the woman He wants.
All right, step, touch.
Hear Him say, keep on moving on.
Rest the arms.
So I'll keep bouncing strong and free, trusting who He created me to be.
Yeah. All right. Next, we're going to go to shoulder press. If you want, you can do these on the floor. You don't have to be on the rebounder. A little bit further than shoulder width apart. And soften the knees. And we're going to press up.
We're taking the rebounding road, a little lighter with every load, leaving excuses by the side, moving forward.
Try to do about 8 to 12.
We're carrying hope instead of load. Rebounding with Cheryl, come along. Together we're
And rest. Now, toe taps.
It doesn't matter where you start, just bring your willing heart. One bounce can change your day and help you find your way down this rebounding road. We're carrying hope instead of load.
All right, you ready? Back to shoulders. Shoulder press. Ready?
Together we're moving strong.
4,
Clap your hands, we're making healthy living plans. A little movement, a little fun. That's how
yeah,
healthy habits
that's right. Couple more, we're almost there. Good, 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 good. All right, next we're gonna go to doing back. So we're gonna slightly bend like this, working on the back and the shoulders. Pull up like this.
The sun came up, I've got breath in my lungs. Another new day has begun. I may not be where I wanna be, but thank the Lord I'm not where I used to be. I'm still moving, I'm still strong. With the Lord beside me, I'll keep pressing on. One more
Good.
bounce,
All right,
one more
baby bounce.
lead me all the way.
Barely lifting off the mat.
Yes, it's true. God's still working, making all things new. When I get tired, I slow my pace, but I keep showing.
All right, step touch and go again. Ready? Bend over.
Again, the Lord keeps helping me sustain. I can do all things through Christ. He gives me strength for this new life. Step by step,
You're squeezing the shoulder blades together also when you do that. Like that. Got it? All right, next one we're gonna do, we're gonna pull like this, to the side, down, and up. Got it? All right, rest. Now, I'm gonna switch. I'm gonna get the 3 pounds now. All right, go back to the health bounce. All right, next song. Okay, slow it down. Sometimes your slower songs are actually a little bit harder. All right, go back to bicep.
Take a deep breath. Let it all slow down.
Concentrate on that bicep.
Leave your worries on the ground. You showed up and gave your best.
Just gonna do a few more of these
Now
just to introduce you to the 3 pounds.
breathe in, breathe it
Breathe in, breathe out.
Thank the Lord without a doubt for the strength He gives each
Yeah, all right, that's all for the heavier ones today. Now we're just gonna stretch.
Stretch a little, reach up high,
Reach up high.
watch the tension drift on.
Yes, no tension today. No stress, get it all out.
Every step
And the arm across the shoulder, across the chest.
helped you grow a bit today.
Nice stretch. Drop it, the other side.
Breathe it in, breathe it out. That's what this life's about. One more
Good.
day,
Now up.
one more
Bring your arm up.
Take a breath and breathe it in.
Stretch. And a little bit to the side.
Maybe it was just a little start.
Drop. Let's do the other one.
But every journey needs a heart. The smallest steps
Good.
can lead the way
All right, now we're going to squat.
to a
And you're gonna grab the trampoline.
someday.
And you're gonna come up one vertebrae at a time.
Slow and steady.
Let's do that again. Squat.
Free.
Grab the trampoline for a deeper squat. And come up slowly.
Coming to be. No perfect finish. No
Grab your arms in the back. Bring them up as high as you can.
be proud of what you've done. Breathe it in.
Breathe in. Let go.
Thank the Lord without
Give yourself a hug.
for the strength
Give yourself a hug
each day.
for joining me today. All right. Praise the Lord. What a good workout today. Thank you so much for joining me on Rebounding with Cheryl. And if you haven't subscribed, hit that subscribe button. All right. Thank you so much for joining me. See you next time. Bye.